Hey there, accounting enthusiasts. Welcome back to Acctvocab, your go-to channel for easy-to-understand accounting concepts. Today, we're breaking down a key term in the world of finance: accountant. Who are they, and what do they really do? Let's find out in just 2 minutes. An accountant is a professional who manages and analyzes financial records. Think of them as the financial health experts for businesses, ensuring the numbers add up and everything runs smoothly behind the scenes. Here are the main responsibilities of an accountant. 1. Recording transactions, keeping detailed records of all financial activities. 2. Preparing financial statements, creating reports like balance sheets and income statements. 3. Tax management, calculating, filing, and ensuring compliance with tax laws. 4. Financial advice, helping businesses make informed decisions based on financial data. Here's a quick example. Imagine you run a small bakery. An accountant will track your expenses, calculate your profits, handle your taxes, and even help you decide if you can afford a new oven. They're your behind-the-scenes partner in success. Without accountants, businesses would struggle to stay organized, comply with laws, and make strategic decisions. Whether it's a small startup or a giant corporation, every organization needs accountants to thrive. And that's what makes accountants so essential in the business world. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe to Acctvocab, and share this video with anyone curious about accounting. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.